Up next, finally, more Rei Ayanami. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com, and my son is wiggling his head like this, making me laugh. But we're finally back to videos, and the first video we're going to start up with is Mark Dunmore's Rei Ayanami. He's going to start doing some work on her face and eyes. That'll be this video, and I think the next video too will have more on completing that. So make sure you come over to SciFiAntasy.com, join the community, because we got a ton of people coming over there. And that's enough about that. Let's get over to Mark and see what he's up to. Okay, so that's it for this part from Mark Dunmore, and we thank him as always for putting this up. And don't forget to come and watch the next few videos that are going to be up from Mark. I think it's 7, 8, and 9. 9 will be the finale. So hit the subscribe button and the little notification icon. This way you don't miss any videos from us. And I'm going to ask you again to come over to the community and check out what's going on and post your builds and have a good time over there. So that's it for the night, guys. I hope you have a great one. Take care and bye-bye.